Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to use object selection tools and quick selection tools, magic wand tools in Photoshop 2021. So before going here, first I'm taking the new file. Okay, I'm taking the width is 5 inch and height is 7 inch and the resolution is 72 and the background is white. The color mode is RGB. Then create OK. The name is United Untitled. So at first I'm taking the name. That's why I'm creating again, and in this name I'm changing. I'm taking this one is Redesign Engineering. Okay, create. Then I'm going here. I have taken this image by opening here, or I'm going again in Control O. Yes, or I'm taking this one. Image is taken. Then I'm selecting the object selection tools. I'm click, then drag it up to this one. You're watching these sides of object is selected. So Control D for this selection. I'm watching again. You're watching, or Control D again. I'm selecting up to this. Full rounded space is selected. You are watching, and we can take it from here, Control C, or we can go the edit, copy, and go to the Redesign Engineering, then paste, go to the edit, paste, or Control plus B from the keyboard. Okay, done. Then move tool is selected and move it. Control plus T, then Shift plus Ultra. You can change this the shape. Then move tool. Okay, done. This one is the first step of the selection tools, object selection tools. Then I'm removing this one. For control that I can use for going to the backwards, or I'm going here and Redesign selected. Then I'm going again here, then Control D. Then I'm going here for selecting the quick selection. Click here, another click, another click, another click, another click. Then this portion is selected. Okay, then Control C and go to the here and Control V. You're watching, only the middle parts is selected. Then Control T and I'm reducing it. Okay, then move tool is selected for remove the transform option. Okay, minus. Then I'm going to the here and select the Redesign Engineering again. Then I'm going here, Control D for the selections. Then I'm going here and magic wand tool is selected. One click. Here only one object select. When click another, then the previous selected option is removed. So we can select this one, add to selections. Okay. Only same resolutions space are selected by these tools. So Control C for copy, Go to here, Control D for paste. You are watching this. Control T, and I'm reducing in this one. Move tool, and you are watching. Only same resolution space are selected for Magic Wand tools. I think everybody got it what I have seen or I have showed in this tutorial. The first one was the object selection tool, the second one is the quick selection tools, and the third one is the Magic Wand tools. And you can select these tools from the keyboards by pressing the W. Control D for the selections. So thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.